The animation creator that you have been waiting for has finally arrived. All-in-one solution to create pro-quality 2D animated explainer videos in any language or niche. Done-for-you templates from the hottest niches with voiceovers included. Open canvas for from-scratch videos with built-in assets, props, and characters. Go global with lifelike text-to-speech and one-click translation. Commercial license to create and sell unlimited videos. And much more. It's a feature-packed animated video creator that's super easy to use. Intuitive custom video editing interface. Our uber-intuitive drag-and-drop custom story maker interface makes creating any video from scratch a piece of cake. No technical skills or video editing experience required. Ready-made niche templates included. We include a wide variety of done-for-you templates for a ton of industries and niches, and with more being added each month. Built-in library of animated assets. We include a massive collection of animated characters, themes, backgrounds, and props. Professionally recorded voiceovers included. All ready-made templates come with professionally recorded voiceovers and done-for-you sales scripts from some of the hottest niches. World-class text-to-speech technology includes our award-winning text-to-speech technology that supports 25 languages and 50-plus male-female voice styles and accents. One-click translation technology. You get a wide variety of audio sourcing and voiceover options, as well as onboard automatic translation. Create multiple language versions for any video on the fly. Professional studio-grade videos. Easily create professional quality videos in minutes using ready-made templates or from scratch. Unlimited commercial license. Create and sell videos to other businesses and marketers for huge profits. We'll even show you how. AnimationStudio is a serious game changer for any business, marketer or website owner. It's easier than ever to replace your boring old PowerPoint slideshow videos that nobody's watching anyway. Replace them with fun, dynamic and engaging animated videos and watch your leads and sales skyrocket. And with our professional templates for a huge variety of niches, making videos for brick-and-mortar business clients for big bucks has never been easier. Regardless of your current business, we'll show you how to easily create a hot new revenue stream with AnimationStudio commercial license included. Why is AnimationStudio such a game changer? It's super easy to use. Just select a background for your scene, drag and drop your desired characters, props and other elements. Then, add the text for voiceover, sound effects and even a music track using the timeline editor. Click one button to create your video, and you're done. It's that easy. State-of-the-art animation and text-to-speech technology. Thanks to Bravin Technologies' cutting-edge open canvas and vector-based animation technology, AnimationStudio delivers pro-quality results. And with our top-rated text-to-speech technology and multiple language support, no other app even comes close. Especially at the low price we're offering for a limited time. Hosted on Microsoft Cloud Platform. AnimationStudio is 100% browser-based with nothing to download, install or update, ever. Just log in via secure access from anywhere, anytime. Answer to fax. Will this work on my Windows Mac computer? Yes. AnimationStudio is a 100% cloud-based solution, meaning it'll work on any operating system. All you need is an internet connection to use the app. Nothing to install, nothing to update, it works perfectly right out of the box. You say unlimited video creation, what's the catch? There is no catch. You can use AnimationStudio to create as many videos as you want, as often as you want, in as many niches as you want. No limits. Can I upload my own images, characters, and audio into AnimationStudio? Yes, uploading your existing characters, audio, and images into the app is easy. The possibilities are truly endless. No video creation experience required. What makes AnimationStudio better than other video apps? AnimationStudio comes loaded with industry-leading features that are not available in any other app. This includes many ready-made animated explainer video templates in hot niches, professional voiceovers, award-winning text-to-speech, one-click translation, custom open canvas technology to create videos from scratch and a whole lot more. All this for a low one-time price with unlimited video renders. Do I need a special license to sell AnimationStudio videos to clients? Nope. We're including commercial rights, so you can create and sell videos to clients as often as you want and keep 100% of the profits. Is step-by-step training included? Yes, AnimationStudio comes with step-by-step video training walking you through the entire process right from creating your videos to getting results. Yes, this also includes how to sell your videos for top